Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 31st October 2020. Your chapter 4th business services was going on. I have taught to you about the business banking services till NEFT. In the previous class I have taught to you about the NEFT and RTGS. So today I want to continue it from the next topic, that is bank overdraft. Okay. So first listen about it. What is bank overdraft? Bank has provided the facilities to the current account holders that they can withdraw their amount more than their balance. यानी बैंक अपने करंट अकाउंट होल्डर्स को कुछ फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड कराता है कि वो अपने बैंक के बैलेंस से ज़्यादा की अमाउंट बैंक से विड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. ओके, एंड दैट टाइप ऑफ द लिमिट हैज़ बीन प्रोवाइडेड टू द अकाउंट होल्डर एज पर देयर ट्रांजेक्शंस. बिजनेसमैन के जैसे ट्रांजेक्शन्स होते हैं, देन दैट लिमिट हैज़ बीन ऑल्सो डिसाइडेड कि कितनी अमाउंट एक्सेस वो अपने बैलेंस से ज़्यादा विड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. ओके, यू नो अबाउट दैट करंट अकाउंट होल्डर्स विल नॉट गेट द अमाउंट ऑफ द इंटरेस्ट ऑल्सो. सो आइदर द करंट अकाउंट होल्डर्स विल पे द अमाउंट ऑफ द चार्जेस ऑल्सो. सेम थिंग विल बी रिलेटेड फ्रॉम हियर ऑल्सो. बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट में जितनी भी अमाउंट अकाउंट होल्डर विड्रॉ करता है उसके अमाउंट पर विड्रॉ, एक्सेस अमाउंट विड्रॉ पर बैंक इंटरेस्ट चार्ज भी करता है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट? सो हियर आई वांट टू राइट इट हियर. एन ओवरड्राफ्ट फैसिलिटी, एन ओवरड्राफ्ट is a facility where a customer is allowed to withdraw more than his or her balance in the bank up to an agreed limit. यानी हमारा अकाउंट होल्डर जो होता है वो एक एग्रीड लिमिट के अकॉर्डिंग कुछ एक्सेस अमाउंट अपने बैंक के बैलेंस के से निकाल सकता है. सो दैट एक्सेस अमाउंट इज कॉल्ड बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ राइट अबाउट इट्स फीचर्स ऑल्सो. फीचर्स ऑफ बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट. ओके, फर्स्ट पॉइंट, banks give this facility after taking security or personal guarantee This facility is extended by the bank to its regular customers who enjoy गुड फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस. यानी बैंक सिर्फ ऐसे ही अकाउंट होल्डर्स को फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड कराता है इस तरह की जो उनके रेगुलर कस्टमर्स होते हैं एंड जिनकी फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस क्या होता है, अच्छा होता है. ओके, सेकेंड पॉइंट, दिस ओवरड्राफ्ट इज अ काइंड ऑफ temporary loan and bank charges interest on actual amount which is overdrawn by the account holder. इट मीन्स जितनी अमाउंट विड्रॉ की जाती है, एक्सेस अमाउंट विड्रॉ की जाती है, दैट इज ट्रीटेड एज लाइक अ टेम्परेरी लोन. वो क्या होता है आपका टेम्परेरी लोन होता है. एंड दैट एक्सेस अमाउंट, ऑन द एक्सेस अमाउंट बैंक हैज चार्ज द इंटरेस्ट ऑल्सो. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? Students, it was a bank overdraft. Now the last service of the bank that has been provided to account holder, that is cash credits. Listen, cash credit refers to a loan given to borrower against mortgage. Okay, mortgage means कुछ भी एसेट्स को, करंट एसेट्स को मॉर्गेज करके या एज लाइक अ सिक्योरिटी करके बैंक हैज प्रोवाइडेड द कैश क्रेडिट फैसिलिटी एज लाइक that was related from the share, stock, bonds. So this is related from the cash credit. While in the bank overdraft, bank has not required any type of the assets as a mortgage, but in the cash credit, bank has required any type of the current assets. So here you will write cash credit refers to a loan given to the borrower against his or her current assets like shares, stocks, bonds, etc. It means these types of the facilities has been provided on the basis of the securities of shares, stocks, bonds, etc. Clear? Now what are the features of cash credit? Listen and see here. First, a credit limit is sanctioned and the amount is credited in his account. The borrower may withdraw any amount within his credit limit. अपने क्रेडिट लिमिट के अकॉर्डिंग वो पर्सन जिसने बोरो किया है लिमिट को, कैश क्रेडिट की लिमिट को, वो अपना पैसा विड्रॉ कर सकता है क्रेडिट में. ओके, देन सेकेंड पॉइंट, कैश क्रेडिट फैसिलिटी is helpful in meeting day-to-day वर्किंग कैपिटल नीड्स. जो भी वर्किंग कैपिटल की नीड्स होगी वो हेल्पफुल होती है कैश क्रेडिट में. ओके, नाउ थर्ड पॉइंट, you know about that excess amount when any account holder withdraw from the bank, then bank will charge the interest. So here you will write third point, interest is charged on the amount actually withdrawn. यानी जितनी अमाउंट विड्रॉ की जा रही है उसमें इंटरेस्ट चार्ज होगा. सो आई थिंक स्टूडेंट्स बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट एंड कैश क्रेडिट फैसिलिटीज समझ में आया होगा. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, आई वांट टू कंटिन्यू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन द ई बैंकिंग. इन द ई बैंकिंग यू हैव ऑल्सो कॉल्ड इट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बैंकिंग. सो पुट द हेडिंग हियर ऑल्सो, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बैंकिंग और ई बैंकिंग. ओके, so students, you know about the electronic banking. That type of the facilities has been provided by the bank, in which customer is allowed to take the facilities related from the transactions with the help of the internet using a desktop, laptop, mobile phone So that is based on the electronic banking. Okay, it means with the help of the e-banking, the customer, the account holder can easily transactions with their cell phone also. Okay, with the help of the internet. So here you will write electronic banking. Electronic banking is a service provided by bank in which a customer is allowed to conduct banking transactions over the internet using a computer, mobile phone. Okay, so on the basis of their computer, on the basis of their mobile phone, the electronic banking facilities has been used by the customer. E-banking services. Now next point is based on the e-banking services. It means how can the bank use that type of the services. So look here, I want to explain it with the help of the diagram. E-banking services. Okay, it has been given here. So which type of the services that has been provided by the e-banking? First you can write credit card. You know about that credit card facilities that has been used with the help of the e-banking also. Internet banking, then debit card. You know about the your ATM card, debit card. Okay, then after that mobile banking. With the help of the mobile you can also use that type of the e-banking services that is based on the mobile banking. Clear? And at last you know about that ATM. I think maximum students use that type of the services that is called, in full form, that is called automated teller machines. So these types of the services that has been performed by the banking services with the help of the e-banking. So these services I have drawn here. Now I want to explain each and everything. First I want to tell you about the ATM. You know about the situation of the ATM. The ATM, it means automated teller machines, are the computerized telecommunication device which enables the user to withdraw cash, deposit checks, find the balance, transfer funds, and if you have required any type of the mini statement, so you can also get it. So that is based on the ATM. So see here, ATM. The automated teller machines are the computerized telecommunication device which enable the user to withdraw cash, deposit checks, find balance of the account. Okay, etc. There are the different types of the users, as like you can also find out the mini statement also. And the ATM card can be operated using ATM machines, and it responds to customers' request only. And there is the 4-digit pin has been also required. when you have entered the 4-digit number, then after that your request will be processed, otherwise no. So there is the security is also maintained. And next thing you can also write it here, ATMs are the mechanical tellers who work 24 hours a day and 365 days in a year. It means you can also take the facilities of the ATM card, ATM machines 24 hours for whole year. आप 24 hours की फैसिलिटीज पूरे ईयर आप इससे ले सकते हैं. सो दैट इज द बेनिफिट्स रिलेट्स ऑन द ATM. Okay, so next topic is based on the debit card. As per the diagram I am explaining here, ATM has been done. Now second point I want to explain debit card. So what is debit card? Listen. So debit card is a plastic card used by the account holder to make payments without any type of the physical exchange of the money. So there is the security, because no one can take the money in the physical way. The amount has been transferred from one account to another account with the help of the debit card, or you can also withdraw money from the help of the debit card. So here you will write debit card. If you want to shopping, so with the help of the debit card you can also do it. Debit card is a plastic card used by the account holder to make payments without any physical exchange of money. Full stop. Okay. It is issued by a bank to the account holder. It is issued by a bank to the account holder. A debit card holder can make payments at the shops or stores which have point of sale terminals. It means with the help of the debit cards you can also do the shopping activities. आप कुछ भी परचेज सेल कर सकते हैं जो भी आपका क्या पॉइंट ऑफ सेल टर्मिनल्स बने होंगे. ओके, सो दीज आर रिलेटेड फ्रॉम द डेबिट कार्ड. सो स्टूडेंट्स आज की क्लास में इतना ही. सो फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट क्लास आई विल स्टार्ट द क्रेडिट कार्ड. ओके.